New motor. Let's go. What are we about to do today? A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Put this stupid bitch inside here. Putting this big ass hole inside of our car.
63,000 miles. Ooh, got a little. Ooh, shit.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Be back in a second when this thing's clean as fuck. Nice.
Cut you, bitch. Cut the cigarette right in half. Oh. Yeah, whoa.
Yes, look at that clean hole, baby. Clean hole. Just shove our big rod in.
That's skinny. Two dudes working on a car and you're saying shit like that. Sounds like right now. Sounds like a fan. Nothing.
The fan looks like it's going like so slow on camera.
Does it? That bitch is cranking. Fucking hot.
Yeah, big bang, I'm about my thriller, ayy. Yeah, nice money, big girl dealer, ayy.
Motor is almost in. Got a little bit of a gap. Motor mounts are lined up. Sweet.
Yeah, I think
Motor mounts are in.
yeah, mine's fully in.
Trans is bolted. Alright, now drop it down slow. Oh, look at that. Fucking mint. Man, she looks good in there. She looks really good in there. Look at that. Woo!
The grind begins, baby.
Let's go eat some food.
Your man's hands ain't black. You got a girlfriend. What are you doing, boy?
Cleaning your ears out. Because you fucking nasty, boy. Achoo. Oh, my hands are dirtier. What does that mean?
Because you shoved your hands in dirt.
Lamborghini truck floor. That's a bitch in the back. Boring. She like puppy.
Boy.
I'm like, baby, I ain't know.
Dude, what are you doing, bro? Or YouTube.
No torque wrench.
YouTube mechanics.
YouTube mechanics. Freshly undercoated, baby.
You ain't gonna find a nice underbody. Oh, I'm tripping over bolts.
Fucking in the hole.
That's what she said.
Wrong hole, wrong hole.
No, it's not.
The ride you rode until it stopped.
Yeah, and you took the light away. Dude, how am I supposed to see it? You're supposed to be the light man.
It's your greasy ass hands.
Yeah, did you just put your greasy ass shit on my fucking head and leave prints?
It was already greasy.
No, it wasn't.
Axles are in. They are torqued. We just gotta put them back in the strut. And starter's in. It is the downpipe gasket and the downpipe and the intercooler on, and it should be done. What do you think, Matt? What do you think?
Fucking tired. This shit's taking forever. This shit sucks.
It's almost done. Ah, yes, sir.
I feel like anybody can do anything they set their mind to. But it depends on how bad you want it, and I wanted to do it. You know, at this stage of my life, I don't feel like there's too much that I can't do. I don't mean to sound cocky or nothing, but if I like really want to do it, I don't give up that easy.